All right, you're welcome back. Not forget, say if you put your mouth inside all the matters, then we don't talk about. Our first one concerns Nigeria Police Force. And we they ask you, say, you feel, say, we need to change some things for inside the Nigeria Police Force. And the second one concerns Obasanjo as he attended Oga President Goodluck Jonathan daughter wedding. And we they asking you on top of this one, you don't ever get any time where you fight with person and you can't decide, say, you're not going to attend any of their ceremony. Enter Twitter at Wazobia, go yarn your own for there, and we could relate it to you one by each. Okay, we still get plenty more on top and waiting they hot. And this one consign one papa of 13 years old girl, where she don't accept make the man way by force touch like a Pekin, make the man marry a 13 years old daughter. Now, according to the report we get, we hear say about 4 of them, Sani Isa, Usani Jafar, Jamilu Sani and Isa Musa, 4 of them, 9 by force touch like the small Pekin. And when they can't carry them, go court, because police can't carry them, they catch them when they do the badness. Police can't catch them, carry them, go police station. From there, they can't enter court. When they ask the last person, Ishba, say, come, why you do this kind of badness? All of them actually come out and say, yes, we do this kind of thing to this small Pekin. When they ask him, he could talk, say, yes, he do the badness, but I beg, may the papa alarm marry the 13 years old girl where he by force touchlights. So we can't bring this matter into our Talk studio because now something we actually touch a lot of us. We read the story, say person way by force touchlight small Pekin, come ask, say, make I marry this Pekin, and the papa agree. Now, if now your Pekin be this, you go accept?
No. That father did very wicked.
Thank you.
Because first of all, now 4 people 9 touchlights this girl.
Thank you.
Then out of those 4 people, 1 person can say won't marry her. You feel say even if they legally married to her, all those other rest not going to come there, then the 4 of them go still continue waiting they're supposed to do to the girl.
God bless you.
The thing they touching, it is painful. Say at that age, you know, get person where go fight with her. Come be like say the father said they powerless. You understand? Sometimes not be said to throw blow, not be the fight where you go fight. You get the way where you go to defend your child. Mentally, you go they sound. But with this kind of one, this girl for the rest of her life, she go there tortured. Because she needs somebody to love her. Because it's somebody will force you, first of all. At that age, at the age of 13, I tell you, the father, 9 wicked past the rapist.
May I continue from where she stopped? In fact, you know, say I'm happy for where she stopped. It sweet my belly, no be small. Because the girl don't suffer rich now. She don't suffer rich. She can't go carry her. You know what they get for mind to do that picking? Because now picking she still be. You know what they get for mind? Make you even look down on the side. You know, say some kind people when they like visit some people where they inside some kind people, some native doctor, not called a native doctor.
Okay.
You know, say you get some kind of where you go get a hotel and say, when you rape this one finish, marry him. Now you go use do this one. Who know what the guy get for mind? Not true. Now just they bring and go that side. We enter another side. Look am. If you can't look down again, why be saying now when they don't carry and go court? You can't let this. Now that time you remember say he go beg, say he won't marry the girl. How old did the teen self be? How old the rapist be? You don't even look the Pekin where he rape, can't come marry him. No, the man wicked. The papa or the married talk, the man wicked. You know get human sympathy. He no good. I don't like that at all. I don't even God forbid, but I don't go agree my Pekin marry him. I don't go agree.
Okay, we thank God say no be Amaka Pekin, the thing happened too. But for me, I believe say on the other hand, the papa feel they think say okay, if this person married the Pekin, say he go actually remove or reduce some of the shame where the whole by force touchlight not bring on top the Pekin. But at the same time, I feel say he did very wrong because this na Pekin where he says her life never even starts. She never even know what she want to do. Yes, we accept say waiting don't happen, but now for them to actually I don't know as I want to put her through this trying period of hers. Not be say you can't condemn them into one marriage. Which kind of marriage they condemn them, they enter inside. I don't understand. So the papa himself need to they need to check him. Because I don't understand how any loving normal father go say, okay, after they don't by force to like my Pekin, the person where actually they responsible, I won't come give and say may marry my Pekin. And the normal the people they fight say, why you go do this thing to my Pekin? I'm gonna make sure say for the rest of your life, this won't happen, justice must prevail. Yes. But this one just out of nothing, just just say, okay, you're marrying. Be like saying poverty, they worry the man. So say, okay, this one don't happen. Make her even collect money from the team because of course they go pay bride price and other things. So I don't know. I think what's the name of all the people they take care of children? They need to step up to actually intervene in this matter.
Yes.
Because after all, the Pekin are still government child. So
All right, you for them, tell us what you think about this case. Enter Twitter at Wazobia. Go talk your own for them. Make sure say your voice we hear them on Talk. Now the last time we get on top with day hot before our Kajat guests enter inside studio, come join body with us, come enjoy plenty things with us. And we get this one. This one, an ex-wife of oil tycoon, where he don't accept $1 billion divorce settlement.
Correct.
After she don't reject $975 million settlement. The man, her husband, Harold Ham, they don't divorce, so the man actually they don't divorce, and the man could actually offer her $975 million, but she rejects, say, it must be $1 billion before I accept, because the man, an oil person, he get plenty money. But today, they thought the mother of 2 children, will be Sue and Anna, say she don't take U-turn and she don't cash all her money them, we consign this $1 billion. And we hear say the couple say they get 2 daughters and they marry inside 1988, but they not sign any agreement before they marry. Now, the reason why we bring this one come, we want to ask, this kind of settlement fee happen for inside Nigeria, where person go divorce and at the end of the day, the woman fee sue the man, and then because say you get children for the man go they pay you yearly or monthly, if it happen for Nigeria?
Well, for me, first of all, I never today sure whether that kind of thing done they our law system for inside Nigeria. But at the same time, in recent ages, where we say enlightenment don't come and people don't they shine eye now, I sure say many people maybe say they won't get married to billionaires and millionaires, then go say, okay, well, bros, how far now? Okay, this one we want to we go sign a prenuptial agreement so that if anything happen, half of your money, buy now cash go out like this, as in, what thing they talk? I will get one person saying too much money, problems how to spend it. Now that kind of thing they raise now, because you go see most brides, then when they want marry, say we don't talk this thing before now, not be because of love, then they marry now based on, okay, this man gets so and so, if anything happen, like this we go, security backup, exactly. So okay, if anything happen, even if the love die on the way, money still there for me to flaunt all my diamonds, all my, all the latest parties, cuddly some point. So yes, in recent times, it will fit happen.
Why they laugh?
Kudos to her. And they look for that kind of man. Yes. With my fishnet where I put for road, if you catch that kind of man, give me all your money. I tell you simple. Or I'll cut your leg. I like that comment. I wish say they happen. You foresee plenty marriages and divorce, because I get lists of men who are for don't marry.
Hey, Nigeria,
but good for her. Okay. Not in Nigeria now.
No, it happen for Nigeria.
How much you want to give you?
It doesn't matter of
but if you go court,
if you go court and you get quanta, you go court and 12 now finally decide to separate. Court will make sure say you they pay some certain amount to the woman. Whether not change or no change, whether the man have been there, you go see the piece of certain amount to give the woman.
All right, you were there out there. Tell us what do you think about this one. If you happen for inside Nigeria, where woman goes sue her husband where she don't marry before, but they don't separate to court, and the court go ask the man to they pay her money every year or even monthly. If you happen for Nigeria, enter Twitter at Wazobia. We're gonna need to pass more break, I beg. When we come back, what think will happen?
When we come back, our Kajat guest, Kajat person, very special woman. I don't want to know her name, but a very beautiful woman. When we come back, you go see I'm live for inside the studio to touch. No worry, maybe go on break.